All right, guys, this is what we are putting together. Instructions, my arch nemesis. All right, that's what it's supposed to look like when we're done. Gloves. What kind of project is this? Okay, let's see what we got in here. Okay. Oh, not too bad. At least it is kind of in pictures. So let's see what we're starting out with. Are these all the same? Looks like they're pretty much all the same. They look the same. Another plus. Okay. So we're going to start out with two Y's. All right. Okay, those are all Y's. Okay. Okay, and then long ones and short ones. This might not be as bad as we thought it was. Let's start out with one of these. All right. Does it matter which way is up? We have these holes, but on the other side, they're kind of like a little strange. Let's see. All right, so it looks like these are going to go into the bottom. I think they're going to go like this way. Let's put one in each. Okay. Then we need two tall ones on this side and a short one on this side. Let's see if these are just going to twist in. All right, and on this side, we're going to put these shorter pieces. All right, I'm going to set this to the side, and we're going to do the same thing to another one. Okay, now let's see. Can we get this in shot? We have these screws, and these are going to go into all the tops of. Wow, how far do they go? Do they stop? I don't know. First, we're going to throw the screws around. All right, now we're going to put these all lined up. All right, we've officially done this, and now we're going to start this right here. So I need a Y with some eyes. Okay. Okay, let's see. So far, so good. Let's see what's next. Oh, okay. More of those. But what size are they? You guys aren't very. Connect and fix the Y and X made rod with the screws I and Y installed. You. Okay, so we're supposed to put poles in the middle. They don't tell me if it's the long ones or the short ones. All right, I think these are supposed to be the shorter ones. Oh no, this one's not up far enough. All right, let's see. I'm pretty lazy and I don't want to have to undo it. So let's see if we can just unscrew it. Oh, nuts. All right, this one needs to. There we go. Just a little bit. There we go. Back in. Let's make sure it works before we get any farther. All right. All right, we got these screws all in the top. So now we're just going to that on that side. Okay, those look pretty good. All right, let's see where we're at. Okay, we just did this. All right, and then what size is this? They look like they're all going to be the long rods. Yeah, okay. All right, now we're going to take the long ones and we're going to put them all where these are at. Okay, I think I figured it out. Yeah, because those two. Okay, is that right? I don't know. But that's the last one. So maybe on the outside, this is where we put these. Let's try it. Okay, the ones on the outside here. So let's put those and see if maybe these go in here. But okay, this is where we need the little thing that it came with. Okay, let's make sure that okay. Okay, I think we got it. I think we got it. Oh, ho, ho, ho. All right, so now we're going to take the smaller. I picked this one because there was so much space I could do a hanging plant from right here. And I want to get this put together because this next weekend we're going to Home Depot and I got to pick up some extra plants. All right, guys, I actually have one more to put together. I have a corner one and we're going to do that next. And then I'm going to move all my plants over and see how it looks. All right, guys, I did want to show you the extra parts that they put in. There's one long, one short pole, and then one extra foot, the tool, two of the, yeah, make sure I put all those on, and then two of those. So overall, very happy with this. I'll keep these for extras in case something happens. I would say this was fairly easy to put together. I would say a 10 out of 10, to be honest with you. I mean, I didn't really need, it wasn't any hard work. It was pretty easy, so pretty happy with it. I picked both of these up at Amazon. I'll link them below if you guys want to check them out. Oh wow, these are pretty heavy. This is interesting. I'm assuming this is if you want to strap it to the wall. Let's hope we don't need that. All right, instructions. Oh, look at no tools. This is going to be a good one. 10 minutes. Do they know who they're talking to in one person? All right. Number one. Okay, so look at them trying to make it look like this is all simple. 1, 2, 3. All right. All right, let's separate this. What is this one? Okay, this one doesn't have a sticker. That one's an A. B. A. A. Okay, that's interesting. All right, so the A's go to the top, the B's, there's 3 A's, 1, 2, 3. Is that just an extra again? Huh. All right, those little short things go at the bottom. There it looks like everything screws itself together. All right, let's try it. Oh, okay, these little ones go at the top. All right, so we're gonna start with this pack. And then B goes at the bottom. Okay, this is B. Yes. So then these are going to go at the bottom like this, I'm assuming. All right. So far, so good. Oh, that's an A2. There is a sticker on that one. All right, so now we're going to take an A. Is that correct? Yeah. We're just basically keep repeating it. Huh? Why does this one not have a hole in it? Now I'm really confused. What's going on? Huh? What did I do wrong? Oh, okay. So this one doesn't have. What was the purpose in this if we're not even using this? Why? Oh, for an extra leg. Okay, I already messed up. Oh, you only need one person. 10 minutes. All right, that's coming out. And then I guess one of these goes in. Okay. It's balanced. It's all about balance. Okay. Really? Now see, I would have thought the cussing would have been on the last one. What? Seriously? Like, what's the problem here? Do we just need to try like a different one or something? Oh my gosh, we got it. We got it. That freaking took 10 minutes just by itself. All right, let's move on. I'm not bitter. I'm not bitter. Actually, I'm just really congested, guys. All right. All right. Oh, and you guys can't even see. Wow. I don't know about this one. Okay. Just gonna keep putting it together. All right, we're gonna move this to the floor now and finish it up. Okay, guys, we've moved over to here. Forgot to hit record, so this is as far as we got, and I'm just gonna fast forward because we're just basically doing the same thing from the previous. All right, now we're just gonna take these and put these on the top. Well, guys, I need a lot of plants. After I got those moved over, look how cute those are looking right there. I didn't even get any. I didn't even get any on this one yet. All of my plants have been just piled up here since we moved that other table, so I actually have room over here now. I like to keep these two over here. I moved him over there, so yeah, we need some more plants.